morning, Year 1. Now today in literacy we are going to be looking at changing a postcard. Now yesterday you were thinking of your own things to put in a postcard, but you're going to be doing something similar today, but I'm going to help you out with something that I've written first. So this is our postcard that me and Miss Dodden have done. Hi Jess, this postcard comes to you from Spain. The weather here is beautiful and the sun shines brightly all day long. Not like back home in Manchester. Is it raining there? I am having lots of fun. Today we have spent the day at the beach and I made a new friend called Sam. We built a giant sandcastle together and decorated it with little shells. Tomorrow we are going to go on a boat trip to see the dolphins. I'm really excited because I've never seen a real-life dolphin before. Mum said that we can get off the boat to go swimming and cool down in the crystal blue water. I can't wait. Wish you were here, Lily. She's sending that to her friend Jessica Ray at St. Clair's Primary School, and she's got the address all round here and she's got her stamp in the corner. So, can you find where the greeting is on this postcard? Where is the greeting? Where do we say hello? That's right, at the top here. Hi Jess, that's the greeting. Can you see any questions in the text? Have a little look. You found it? Here it is. Is it raining there? She wants to know what the weather's like in Manchester. Can you tell me where the main bit of writing is, the main text? That's right, it's all of this here, everything. Can you see the sign-off bit? That's right, it's at the end. So, wish you were here, Lily. Okay, so today you're going to have a go at changing my postcard. So I want you to think about what parts you could change. So have a look here, pause the video, and decide which parts you might change. Have a chat with your grown-up now. Okay? So there's lots of parts that we could change, however we're only going to change the bits that I have highlighted in blue. So if we read it again, you're going to look at the bits in blue and you're going to change those parts. So we can leave all of the black writing the same, but I want you to change the beautiful and the sun shines brightly all day long. So the weather might not be like that. Think about what it might be instead. But remember, it's not like back home in Manchester. So if you put it's really rainy or it's really grey or windy, now Manchester is like that, so you've got to remember the rest of the sentence. Does it still make sense? Okay, next bit. So we're going to keep I am having lots of fun, but you're going to change what you did. So I spent the day at the beach and I made a new friend called Sam. We built a sandcastle and decorated it, but you're going to do something completely different. I want you to write something that you wanted to do. And then talk about what you might do tomorrow. Now, I talked about dolphins and going swimming. I want you to think of something different. But you can leave everything else the same, okay? I'm really looking forward to everything that you come up with. Looking forward to seeing your ideas. Bye!